sure there's no issue. Like I said, first thing I came to do was to see if I said anything was unplugged or anything like that. And obviously, you know, he ain't put a lot of these grommets back in their spot, you feel me? So I'm gonna click that one back in there. This one go on that bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. Get that out the way, but then I went to this. You see this hose right here?
Yeah.
I guarantee that's the issue, it's broke.
Oh, it's broke.
And that goes into the intake, so you got a vacuum leak basically. So let's see, yeah, down, cause this is your fuel injectors. I'm guessing this is vacuum pressure though. So. Yeah, cause that go into your intake. Yeah, it's broke off in there, you see that? I'm about to pull that out real quick. You might need a whole new little sensor, you feel me? Cause the where it's broke at, it ain't no nipple for me to get on, you know what I mean? Cause it's flat right here. I got a rough idling situation. Broke nipple. Well, don't do that. Got erratic idle. We got a 7 mil on there. We're just gonna crack those free. Just like that. Let's get this connector off. Unplug that, like that. Alright. Put a little fuel on this O-ring. Seated in there like that. There we go. Connector back on there. Got a rag. That clicked. Alright. Just that one coming out.